Oh, hello. My name's Chantal, and your name is it Ramzan?
Yes, my name is Ramzan.
Oh, nice to meet you. And
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
very well, thank you. And have you been using Cambly for long?
Yes, I am using from last 1 month.
Ah, wonderful. And you're learning English for work or for traveling?
Yes, for work.
Ah, and what do you do?
I'm a software professional, so
Ah,
I have my clients, and for that, for communication, I have needed the English skills.
yes. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I can hear that you've got a very nice pronunciation of English, a nice accent speaking English, good accent,
Okay,
and obviously you've got a good level of English.
okay. So, what you are thinking that my accent is American accent or British accent or any other?
It sounds like a more of a. It's got the flat tones of a British. Have you been speaking to more British people than American?
Yes, yes. Actually, I am trying to connect with different people on Cambly, those maybe from all the other countries. So in that way,
Yep.
I can able to understand them
Yes, good
and
idea.
yeah, observe their communication.
Ah, yeah, no, that's a good idea. And what are your goals to travel with your job, or are you going to be based in India
Yes,
all the
I
time?
am based in India and I am working from home. I have my own office.
Ah, and how do you
Yeah.
find that? Do you prefer working at home?
Yes, I prefer working at home because this is quite good for
Yes.
me because it improves my productivity, and even I am working for myself. I am not working on salary, so this is helping me to build my own
Oh,
assets.
wonderful. That's good
Yes,
news. And do you live with your family?
yes, I am living with my family.
Ah, lovely. Have you any children?
Yes, I have 5 children.
Five. Wow. That
Sorry,
keeps you
just
busy.
just kidding.
You're kidding. I was going to. You do look
I
very young for five
Yes,
children.
I am 24 and I am not
Uh,
getting get married till now.
oh,
So
right. Ah, that's good. You're
yes,
concentrating on your business.
yes, just focusing on my business so that becoming more financially free.
Wonderful. And what do you do in your free time to relax when you're not working?
Yes, actually, I go for a walk for at
Oh,
least one
nice.
hour in the morning.
Lovely.
So that is helping me to, calm my mind and refresh
Yeah.
the things.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely. And do you live in the countryside or a city?
I am in the intermediate. I mean, my
Oh,
hometown is about 15 mile away from where I'm living right now, and it is,
right.
yeah, a small city.
So when you go for your hour's walk, where does your route take you? What do you see?
Sorry, I couldn't able to get your points.
Yeah, so when you go for your walk in the morning,
Uh-huh.
where do you walk? What do you see on your walk?
Yes, actually, I have a forest nearby,
Ah,
and there is a beautiful greenery. There are a lot of trees and a river. So I am going there, and
wonderful.
a lot of beautiful things I observe in the morning.
And do you see any animals on your when you walk through the woodland?
No, actually, there may be there are animals inside the jungle, but
Yeah.
I am not able to go inside because there is a great danger.
Oh,
Yes,
yes. You walk on the outside.
yes, yes. From outside, I go there.
And do they still have tigers in the
Yes,
jungle?
there are
Is
tigers.
that what that you have to be careful of? Not going
Actually,
in the jungle.
there is a sanctuary, wildlife sanctuary.
Ah, yes, yeah.
So that is closed is from the surrounding, and I am also walking in its surrounding.
Oh, right. And
Yes.
can you go and visit the sanctuary? Is it like a zoo or is it private?
Yeah, no, sorry. This is the government, and
Oh, right.
people are not allowed to go inside.
Ah, so
Yes.
everything's protected within it.
Yes, yes.
Ah, and have you ever seen a tiger in the wild in your lifetime? Never.
No, no, never.
Ah, I suppose being in the UK to think of tigers living in the wild is amazing.
You have seen tigers?
Not in the wild, but we have a zoo
Oh, yeah.
nearby.
I,
Yeah, I've
I,
seen
I
them
have
in a
also
zoo.
in the zoo. I have also seen.
Ah,
Yes, but in real life, I mean, the tiger that is the actual genuine tiger. I
yeah,
haven't
yes.
seen.
Ah, I should think they keep away from humans if they can.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
of course.
which is good.
So, what's your profession? You are working on this Cambly or any other platform as well?
Yeah, no, I just work on this one at the moment. Yes, yeah.
Okay. So earlier you was doing any job?
I'm actually training to be a counsellor. I don't know if
Okay.
you're a counsellor, so like talking therapy, like a psychologist.
So give me some advices that how I
Oh,
can become more productive.
more productive. It's not a counsellor. The thing is, we don't give advice. We that's part of our job. But what we do is we talk with them, and what we have to do is we call it person centered, so that the client who comes to us, talks to us, and works through the problem for themselves. We can't tell them what to do or give them advice. That's more like a life coach. A
Okay.
life coach would advise you what to do, how to change your life, how to improve it, give you advice. Yeah, that's a life
So
coach.
I am also interested to want you as my life coach. So is it possible that I can connect with you?
Well, I'm not fully trained. I'm halfway through. I'm halfway through my training, so I'm not qualified at the moment. But you'll have to look out for me because when I'm finished, I will do I've got 2 years to go, unfortunately. Then I will do my own website and then start doing it online.
Actually, I am also working on websites and mobile apps.
Ah,
So I can also help you with developing your website, and that will not take more time. I will help you to buy the domain name, hosting, and designing
ah.
and everything. And you can start the things within days.
Oh, wonderful. You'll have to send me your contact details for when I need to do that. I will contact you.
Yes, sure.
I'm not allowed to give out my contact details, but yes, to
Yes.
set up for counselling, that would be good.
Actually, I have also needed your help, and I will also help you out with this one because I am working on the other projects. And what I want is like type of suggestions that I have multitaskings here right now. So
Ah,
I want to be specific with my goals so that I could achieve the things in a proper way.
yes, yeah. And do they have that sort of sort of life coaching and things in India, or is it something that's not?
No, no, no. Here we don't have any type of, I mean, professionals who are guiding us, but there are in the bigger cities. But in our city, I don't think that there would be anyone.
Ah, so it's not that popular.
Yes, not popular. In the whole country, this specific thing is not more popular. What
Ah,
I am learning is like I have seen a lot of YouTube videos, and also over there I found that there are people who were successful. They had life coach, they had the proper trainers. So
yes.
I get inspired from them, and I am also thinking that I should also have someone who could help me, who could observe my weaknesses and strengths, and encourage me to do the things more in a more better way. And I
Yes.
also needed the proper guidance, so that's why I requested you.
Oh, that's very nice. Oh, well, our time is coming to the end, but very
Okay, no
interesting
problem.
conversation, and you got a lovely vocabulary and lovely accent in your English. So very
Okay,
well
thank you.
done.
So I
And
have
lovely to
added the
meet you.
details. Thank you.
Take
Bye.
care.